Hey everyone, tonight I'm going to show you an easy weeknight meal. I'm going to show you how to make Chicken Frito Casserole. Not only is it packed with a ton of flavor, it's super fast and easy to make. For those of you who struggle with trying to come up with a meal on weeknights when you work full-time like myself, I work as an ER nurse, I struggle to come up with something quick and fast because those that know me know I do not like to cook. I am Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. Let me walk you through the ingredients. I've got shredded chicken breast. You can get a rotisserie chicken that was grilled off the grill. A week ago I took it out of the freezer. Easiest thing is to go buy a chicken breast and a rotisserie and pull all the meat off the bone, dark, white, whatever. Or I hear you can buy a Tyson that has chicken already cooked that you can buy in a bag. I've got chicken taco seasoning. I've got a bag of chili cheese Fritos. I got Pam because I'm going to spray my dish. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, we had COVID. I was so sick that I couldn't even go do a pull-up at the grocery store, so I ordered this stuff off of Amazon. So that is enchilada sauce. Unfortunately, they only had medium, and my husband doesn't like spicy, so I'm going to have to try and cut that with some green salsa verde. I'm using some Campbell's nacho cheese soup, and I have 1 can of Rotel and a package of shredded cheddar cheese. And I've already got my meat shredded. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the cans opened up. I'm going to spray that dish with Pam. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, so you see I have my shredded chicken, and I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken taco seasoning, and that's 1 packet. This is about maybe 3-4 cups of chicken, and I'm going to add half a can of this medium enchilada sauce to this, and then I'm going to add about half a can of this green salsa verde to this. I'm going to add 1 complete can of the Rotel. I'm going to mix this together. Yeah, it's really flavorful, and like I said, it's quick. You probably have to double or triple the recipe for a family. But if you're in a pinch or in a hurry, you don't need chili cheese Fritos. You can just get the regular ones. I always buy chili cheese because that's my favorite. And then instead of shredded cheese in here, I'm going to use the nacho cheese from Campbell. It's not spicy, but does pack a lot of flavor. So I don't think I'm going to use the whole can. I apologize, I don't do measurements. Those of you who know me, welcome back. You know I'm not really a chef or a cook. I really do not like to cook, but I love delicious food and I love to eat. I'm almost 6 feet tall and I can eat as many calories as I like, and it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to add some of the shredded cheese to this. Not a whole lot. I'm going to use most of it just to cover the top because it already has the cheese in there from the Campbell's cheese. And then to this I'm going to add some of the Fritos. Kind of eyeball it and mix that in. So these will get pretty soft as it cooks. And I'm going to cover this with foil. I forgot to tell you, my oven is heated to 350 degrees. Technically this would go about 30 minutes, but since I haven't warmed this in the skillet and this isn't a hot chicken, I'm going to go 30 minutes covered, and then I'm going to take the foil off and then go another 15 minutes uncovered. So I'm going to take my baking dish, I've sprayed it with Pam, and I'm going to add some Fritos to the bottom. Not a whole lot, just enough to cover the bottom. And then I'm going to spread this meat mixture over the top. And like I said, you could probably serve this with sour cream. Green onions would be delicious. Some lime, which I do have. Put that on there like that. And then I am going to use just a tiny bit of the enchilada sauce. Like I said, I'm worried that it's going to be spicy, and my husband doesn't do spicy food, so I'm going to cut that with the green salsa verde. And to this I'll add the cheddar cheese on top. And then cover this with more Fritos. Put this in the oven at 350 degrees. Like I said, I'm going to go 30 minutes covered. And then I'm going to take the foil off and go another 15 uncovered, just to make sure it's hot and bubbly through, because the chicken was in the refrigerator. And I took it out about 30 minutes ago, but it's still pretty cold. So, and if you guys know me, thanks, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote. until the joke at the end. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause, cover this with foil, get this in the oven, and then come back and show you how to serve this. Okay, my timer went off. I went the full 45 minutes because you guys know I used a cold shredded chicken out of the refrigerator. But you can use grilled chicken, you can use fresh ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey. You would not need to cook it as 45 minutes like I did. And if you wanted to make this next level, you can add a can of corn, make sure you drain it, or a can of black beans. Just make sure you rinse them. And there you have it. And hope you guys enjoy this. This is something quick and easy and fast for people like myself who have to work and don't have a lot of time to cook but love food packed with flavor.
Okay, so there you have it. In the final pictures you see I added some lime wedges and some fresh parsley. I would have preferred cilantro, but as I stated, I was too sick to go to the store, so I had to kind of use what I have. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I love to try and respond to each and every one of my comments. So let me tell you my joke. So one day a woman walks into a veterinarian office with a duck in her arms. Her duck wasn't moving. She walked through the door, and as soon as the doctor sees her, he rushes up to grab the duck, puts it on the table, pulls out the stethoscope, and puts it on the duck's chest. He looks up at the lady. He's shocked. He said, "Your duck is dead." She said, "What do you mean my duck is dead? You didn't even do no extra tests. You didn't even hook it up to a machine or nothing. How do I know my duck is dead?" The doctor couldn't believe it. He leaves the room. He comes back with a black Labrador retriever. The dog walked up to the table, sniffed the duck, looked up at the doctor, shakes his head. The doctor walked him out. The doctor came back in with the cat. The cat jumped up on the table, sniffed the entire duck, looked up at the doctor, shook his head, and walked out. The doctor said, "Just like I told you, your duck is dead." He said, "That'll be $200. She said, $200 to tell me my duck is dead? He said, "It would only have been $20 if you had listened to me the first time. It jumped to $200 because you insisted on a lab report and a CAT scan." I thought that was pretty funny. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good evening and come back for the next one. God bless.